Hi, I'm Reverend Kyra Baehr, and this is your midweek Minister's Musing. And it is such a pleasure to be here on our beautiful campus at Unity Bay Area, Houston, and share the delight of what is it to live with the calm pose of the Master. The poise of the Master is that Charles Fillmore, our co-founder, had a talk of that title many years ago, back in the 20s. And it is still as relevant today as we face the turmoil that happens in our world, but more importantly, the turmoil in our own mind, the turmoil in our own body temple, the turmoil that is in the circumstances that rile us up in various ways. How is it that we go to that inner place and claim peace, be still, and live from that on a daily basis? That's really the key, isn't it? What do we do with our breath? What do we do with our life energy? How do we manage the energies that we feel bombarded by, whether we're visiting family or we're out in the world where people are riled up or on social media? There's so many ways that we can end up having energies, and energies that we create within ourselves that become disruptive to the calm peace of our soul. And yet we are meant to have the calm peace of our soul be that which is in charge. What a concept. And how do we do that? Well, let's talk about that this Sunday. Come join us at Unity Bay Area, Houston, where we really take on the calm poise of the Master. We become the masters of our own lives, and let's experience and explore together the fun ways that we can talk to God, we can listen to that divine awareness, and we can shift the energies in an instant to have the experience we desire. Let your divine self guide your life this week. I look forward to seeing you on Sunday.